Okay, the first thing to do after importing your clip is to click and drag it into the timeline. Once you drag it to the timeline, you click on the clip, then you can see this effect control here. Once you click on the clip, you have to look carefully where you want to zoom in from. Let's say we want to zoom in from when the money starts coming out from the video. So right here, we click on the clip, then we'll go to position and scale. Then we'll move a little bit further. You click on the keyframe again. Okay, so now we've had our keyframe. We're going to just zoom this probably to 120. Then we can adjust this a little bit down so it won't chop the head off. So that is it. You can have it here. Let's play it. So let's play it. Let's go back. Let's start from the beginning. Let's see it. It's a little bit slow. To make it faster, you can just highlight this, then you bring it closer. Then let's play again. Okay, the more closer it gets, the more faster it becomes. Let's put it a little bit closer. Let's play it again. Okay, and that was it. If you want to zoom out, you can zoom out from here again. You can click on the keyframe for the scale, click on the keyframe for the position, then you move a little bit forward, then you click on the keyframe again, then you return it to the original position, which is 100, and this is 1080. Yep, this is 1080. So let's play it again. Let's see if the zoom in and the zoom out works. This is zoom in and this is zoom out. So you can have it, guys. This is it.